Hello friends, this is Umesh from CAD/CAM Meerut, and today we will create this part. This is an isometric view. So we will start this part from the side view. Arrow shows the front view, and we will create first this part. Then I will cut this slot, and later on I will create this part, and rest I will create with the help of rib or with extrude command. So let's start with the side view. Before starting, please subscribe our channel, and if you find it is useful for you, this video is useful for you, please hit the like button. So I will start from the side view. So my plane is ZY for side view, and draw a line. Now make these 2 points constant so that our sketch will come over the origin. 24 is the length. Now I will mirror this, but before mirroring I will dimension rest of the line. So this is 10 mm, again 12, and total is 30 and 30, 36, 36, half of 36, 18, and for this line this is 60. Sorry, delete this. 60 is this, and change this. This is 36, and this is 24. Half of 24 is 12. Okay, now it is correct. Now go to mirror and single curve, select single curve. Which curves you require, select only those curves. So first sketch is complete, just finish, and this time we will extrude this curve in single direction only, not in symmetrical, and height is 96. Okay, hide this sketch. Now from the front view, I will draw this shape. If you want to mirror it, so we have to define one axis, or otherwise we will directly use 10. This gap is 10, and 12, this upper line is 12, and depth is 5, and angle is 60. My sketch is complete now. Finish it and extrude this reverse direction and subtract it. Okay, hide this sketch. Now we will create this upper portion. So what is the height? Height is 60 from the bottom. So make new datum plane, 60 millimeter offset from the base. Now we will sketch over this new plane, and our shape is Okay, now make corner, select this make corner, it will automatically merge both end, and the distance is 44, and here it is 45, and this angle is 30 degree. 90 plus 30 is 120, so we will take it 120, and this distance and this distance, both dimension will same, so I will make them equal length. It is not coming properly, so just click undo. Sorry, this distance is 24, which is uh, in the same axis of circle, so click here, and this dimension is 24, and second dimension will come automatically. One circle, we need one more circle, one circle, so click, and diameter of circle is 10, and 24 from the top, and these 2 points will align vertically. So my sketch is complete. With this 30 degree, this sketch is not coming properly here, so I am changing this 30 to 40. This angle, I am taking this angle as 40, so 90 plus 40 is 130, and click OK or finish. Now extrude this sketch 10 mm and click OK. Now we have to define some rib, or we have to create some sketches. So let's start with this face and orient the view. Now define this angle 90 plus 45, 135. Angle is 135. This is sketch, just finish, and thickness is 10. So extrude this 10 and select unite. Unite with anyone. Same we will do on this face. Just orient the view. Angle is 60 degree. So angular. Close it. Now finish and extrude this sketch. Hide all the sketches, this plane, and unite all the solids. Now some fillet still remain, so select this, and this radius, some radius is there, and 2 mm or 5 mm, we will take it 5, and 2 more side and click OK. So this is our model. Go to view and select model, define some color, face. So hope you like this tutorial.